Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Ashley and I am one half of Create Craft Costume, a channel where you can expect sewing and crafting, particularly with an emphasis on geek, pop culture, and fandoms. I'm a big fan of Harry Potter, and that's actually why Cheryl is not with us today, because we are going to be doing our first Harry Potter unboxing. I have a box that came all the way from England. I love that they actually put some magical touches to it on the outside, and it is fragile. And the reason for that is because this is Incantatrix Philosopher Stone Special Edition box. This is the second special edition box that they have come out with, and I did get the first one, and I highly regretted not filming it. So I have waited all week to be able to open this on camera and share with you guys. So let's get to it. All right, now, as I said, I did buy their first special edition potion, and it was this beauty. So it was a special edition Giggle Water, and it sits on its side. It's got magnificent detail and foiling, and as I said, I really regretted not showing this on camera, so I didn't want to make that same mistake again. So the box I have in front of me is, I believe, their second special edition box, and it is based on the Philosopher Stone. So let me just put this down. Since it is based on the Philosopher Stone, I know it comes with a potion and then 2 additional items that aren't necessarily directly from Harry Potter, but more inspired by. I know they limited this to 25, and I cannot wait to see it. So it is not opened at all, and we're gonna open it on camera. It does come with a card, and I also think it's really cute that they personalize it. So they personalize it with your name, which is a really nice touch. The other thing that, looking at this box, that I totally forgot about, yes, I did order the special edition Philosopher Stone. I also ordered their deluxe Magic Frog melted chocolate potion, and the reason why is because I really do have a thing for chocolate frogs. I love that color scheme. I love the design. I love the gold. I love chocolate. I mean, you can't get any better. But the other reason that I really wanted both of these potions is because Incantatrix Potions are really a step above any other subscription box that I have seen. So I really wanted to make sure that I could add these to my collection, since they are literally the definition of a special, one-of-a-kind piece. The reason I mentioned that is because I have 2 different potions here, so I'm not sure which ones I'm gonna open first. And let's just start with this one. You can tell that this is really well packaged. I mean, I'm unwrapping it for days. But since this is so expensive, especially with shipping from England, it's really nice to see that they package these so well. And I believe that this is actually the Sorcerer Stone one, and I want to save this for last. So let me grab the other bottle, and that's going to be the deluxe chocolate frog potion. Okay, so I can tell by the shape that this should be the deluxe chocolate frog potion. And something else that I particularly like is, if in case by some awful disaster that it did break in shipping, they have wrapped each bottle not only in paper but also in a plastic bag, so that it wouldn't affect anything else in the box. It also would help keep the box from disintegrating, since the liquid couldn't spread as far. And they do hold it with their own personal sticker. Oh, I'm so excited. And not only in addition to the packaging that you saw, they obviously have also wrapped it in a full layer of bubble wrap. Okay, it looks like some of the bubble wrap got stuck to my sticker, so I'm just trying to carefully take that off. So that's just something to be aware of. I'm assuming it had to do with heat and other things because, like I said, this did come from England. But just be really, really cautious when you're taking this off because you don't want to break this sticker. And there's a sneak peek. Perfect, perfect. All right. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, if your potion comes and it has some solid bits in it, it will shake up again just perfectly. But how amazing is this bottle? And it's big. Like, you know, a lot of potions that you get in subscription boxes or that you find are maybe even half this size. So that does account for some of the price tags. It also accounts for why shipping can be more expensive. This is filled with an actual liquid. So this is a heavy weighted potion. And it says chocolate frog melted. It's got the Incantatrix logo right here. I really, really love, oh, it looks like I have some more solid bits. So again, I do think that the more you shake it, yeah, it went away. So the more you shake it, the more chocolate you're gonna see in this. That means when it settles, you'll probably wanna shake it up again. But this is just stunning. I love the actual gold foiling detail. There's a sticker on top of this. It also comes with a chocolate frog seal. And I love everything about this. The reason that I went for this potion is because I love the chocolate frog design. I love everything about this, so there was no way I could not have this on my collection shelves. All right, now that we have examined the chocolate frog bottle, now let's open the special edition Philosopher Stone bottle. Okay, so again, here's the packaging. I really like the shape already. I think this is gonna be cool. So already you can tell that it's flatter, just so it's not like a round bottle, it's flat. So it did come with a sticker. So the sticker was wrapped in the bubble wrap, which that's really pretty. And I'm trying not to look too much because, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I'm so glad I opened this on camera. So I was right. So it's got a flatter detailing. And look at the top. It doesn't have a wax seal, but I love this detailing where it looks like a rock. It looks like you're going to be picking up the Philosopher Stone or at least any type of stone. I love the bright red coloring. Okay, well, I really wish that you could have seen the rest of my genuine reaction. I unfortunately noticed that I had lipstick all over my teeth for the second half of this video, and no one wants to see that. So this gives us a better opportunity to see what these potions look like under better lighting. And again, this one, I just can't get over how incredible it is. So here is the label detailing, and it has the brewed from Philosopher Stone and this date, or brewed for the Philosopher Stone and this date. It's got Nicholas's Flamel signature along with the Incantatrix Apothecary logo. But look at the foiling on this, and this actually has like an embossed detail to it. The detail on this is absolutely incredible. I also particularly like that you can shake this up. So when you shake it up, you get this gorgeous swirling effect. And the top of the bottle is so different than what you normally see, since it literally has a geometric or stone quality to it. So I cannot get enough of this potion, and I'm very, very pleased with what they came up with. The other thing that I particularly like is I think that it goes really, really well with their first luxe potion. As mentioned previously, this does sit on its side. So that's why it's standing on its side right there. But they also have matching dangling portions. So the detail on this is just incredible. I find this totally worth it. While this is not a luxe potion, this is one that fits very well with the Incantatrix line. As I've mentioned previously, they really are a step above other ones. They just stand out on a potion shelf. And so you really want to make sure that you're going to display them together. But as you can see, you can really tell the effort that they have put into these bottles. And I have absolutely no regrets, and I'm really excited to add these to my potion collection. I could not be happier with this. Pretty much if they put out a special edition box in the future, I'm going to try and get it. As mentioned previously, this was their latest special edition. They said that they were going to limit this one to 25. I don't know if they have any in stock, but I will be sure to leave a link in the description box down below. I know this is a pricier item, especially if you're in the United States. I'm not doing this to flex by any means. I really enjoy supporting smaller independent artists. And let's get real, like, I love real merchandise or licensed merchandise, I do, but I mean, have you ever seen something like this at the studio tour? This one, unfortunately, I do not believe they are bringing back. I believe this was their first run, and I believe that they are out of their Giggle Water. However, the Chocolate Frog Potion, this is not a special edition. This is not one of their luxe. So this should be back in stock and be easier to get a hold of. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I can't leave yet. I got so excited about the potion bottles that I forgot about the two other items. So as I said, they said that they were going to do 2 additional items that weren't necessarily Harry Potter, but were inspired by Harry Potter. And here are the 2 items. Oh, it's a bag. It's definitely a bag. What's on it? Oh. And let's see what it says on the tag. Potion tote bag. It's 100% cotton. This feels like a really nice, like well-made tote bag, not one that I feel like I'm worried to put something in. Oh my gosh. This tote bag has French seams. Guys, this is awesome. This is an awesome tote bag. The reason I'm so excited about these French seams is because we just talked about that in our Harry Potter pillowcase tutorial. I'll make sure to link that in the card and down below. And the only difference is that these seams are all enclosed, but they're actually on the outside. So I bet they're called something different. So I will be sure to ask Cheryl that the next time I see her. So I'm definitely not worried about like putting items in here like I have been with other tote bags that I have received. And let's see what the final item is. You have to untie it. You can't just pull it off. You have to untie it because the hole goes through the envelope. Oh, I see foiling. There's what I'm seeing. I see foiling. Oh wow, lots of foiling. Oh, it's on the back too. Okay, so it says, I believe it says the wheel. Yeah, it says the wheel here. And it has their name on the back. And as you can see, this is some well detailed gold foiling. I believe that this is a tarot card just from the sneak peek that I had. This tarot card is the first in a new collection. Use as a practical tarot card or display it as an art print. It's also a subtle hint as to what our next Lux bottle will be. Huh. So it's got a really pretty bird on it. So I wonder if they're going to start maybe making potions inspired off of tarot cards. Full disclosure, I don't know much about tarot. I don't pretend to, but this is a really gorgeous print or creation. Now that I've actually shown you all of the items, that is the end of our video. Which one of these 3 potions would you choose to add to your own potions collection? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now, if you like what you're seeing, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. That lets you know when we have other videos coming out. It also really helps our channel grow. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.